Hello guys, what's up my YouTube channel? So now we discuss about the not available and hamster combat. So let's say what are the problem it is. So the first, your account is banned. The second, it is the maintenance of hamster combat. So let's see what are the news about hamster combat not available. So let's go to Twitter. About so there are the say that your that this day is Forge is banning this day, but there are not. We go to Hamster Combat, there are have not update yet about the maintenance of their let's go to their update in Telegram Hamster Combat announcement. So after combat announcement. So as you can see that they are not have an update are what are uh, going on now in Hamster Combat. It is be a ban your account. It is possible your account is banned, and the second it is the maintenance of Hamster Combat team. So let's go to Satoshi before the day. So let's talk the Satoshi Nagamoto sa Mr. Satoshi. Okay, here are tweet. So as you can see, the Hamster Combat team will be purging a referral votes and banning those who have manipulated gameplay before listing the hamster token. While later will be black and Honey's player will be rewarded. Subscribe. So as the Mr. Satoshi say that the team purged to bots are banning those manipulate gameplay. So it is possible now. The Hamster Combat is banning account right in the day, but let's wait for update in Hamster Combat because I already tried uh, try to log in my Hamster Combat in the website. Let's it's not opening, so let's go to the website of Hamster Combat. If open, so as you can see, if we go to Hamster Combat website, it's not available, so the site is cannot be reached. So it is possible the Hamster Combat is maintenance. Don't panic because your account is not banned. So I study this. I visit the Hamster Combat site. It's not available, but now is maintenance. Don't worry about your account. Okay. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more update on Hamster Combat. I will go to update um this day. Okay.